Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to play music from your USB drive in your 2024 Toyota Tacoma. As you know, the new Tacoma has a USB-C port located in an unusual spot. I bought a 46 gigabyte USB-C flash drive from Amazon, but it didn't work. Here's what you need to know to get it working. First, I bought a Samsung OEM on the go TG USB to USB-C adapter. You can find this on Amazon, and I'll show it in this video. This is the adapter you need to buy. Additionally, I purchased a 16 gigabyte flash drive from Verbatim. It's spelled Verbatim. As you can see in the video, it's just $6.83, and the Samsung adapter cost me $6.88, totaling about $13. One important thing to remember is that it's better to buy a low capacity USB, like 16 gigabytes, which should be enough for a lot of music. If you buy a USB with a capacity greater than 64 gigabytes, the Toyota Media Player might not recognize it. Another important thing you need to know is that the USB should be formatted to FAT32. You can easily do this after plugging your USB into your computer. To format it, right-click on the USB drive, then select Format. In the Format window, change the file system to FAT32. The USB I bought was already formatted to FAT32, so I didn't need to do this step. That's why I recommend buying this specific USB drive. It's ready to go. However, if your USB drive is formatted as NTFS or exFAT, you'll need to reformat it. Just select FAT32 and click Start to begin the formatting process. Once formatted to FAT32, the media player in the 2024 Toyota Tacoma can read it. Okay guys, so here I'm going to plug my USB into the USB to USB-C adapter. I plug it in, and now I can connect this adapter to my 2024 Toyota Tacoma media player. I do that, then I turn on the car. From the media menu, go to Source and select USB. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.